You are told to find yourself, to be authentic. This is the most subtle prison ever devised. The self you are today is a product of your past, your conditioning, your limitations. To cling to it, to be authentic to that self, is to pledge allegiance to your own cage. The masters of reality understood a more potent truth. The ultimate act of power is not to find yourself, but to overcome yourself. It is to become unrecognizable. This is not about changing your name or appearance. It is a profound, three-layered transformation, a doctrine of power drawn from Nietzsche, Machiavelli, and Sun Tzu. Layer 1. Become unrecognizable to your past. Friedrich Nietzsche wrote, "The snake that cannot cast its skin has to die." Your current self is a skin. It is composed of your comfortable habits, your herd moralities, your self-imposed limitations. The first act of becoming unrecognizable is a declaration of war on this old skin. You must take a merciless inventory of your being. Every weakness, every comforting belief, every fear that holds you in place, these are not parts of you to be accepted. They are components to be decommissioned. This is Nietzsche's process of self-overcoming. It is a silent, internal, and often grueling campaign to render your former self obsolete. You do not improve upon the old model. You systematically dismantle it, piece by piece, until the man who looks back at you from the memories of a year ago is a stranger, a ghost you no longer know. Layer 2. Become unrecognizable to the world. As you wage this internal war, the world must see nothing. This is the domain of Niccolo Machiavelli. The master of power understands that his internal reality and his external appearance are two completely separate, strategic tools. While you are undergoing a profound inner transformation, your public-facing self, your mask, your persona, must remain under your absolute control. It becomes a weapon of misdirection. You project an image of predictability, of harmlessness, of whatever the situation requires, while behind this mask, a completely new being is being forged. Machiavelli taught that a prince must be a fox and a lion. The secret is that the inner work of Nietzsche forges the lion, while the mask you present to the world is the cunning of the fox. They see the sheep's skin, never guessing at the dragon forming within. Your true self is your own secret. Your public self is a calculated performance. Layer 3. Become unrecognizable to your adversary. Having become a stranger to your past and a myth to the public, you achieve the final layer of this transformation. You become strategically formless. This is the wisdom of Sun Tzu. He taught that the master strategist is like water. He has no constant form. Because your inner foundation is no longer built on a rigid, predictable ego, and your external persona is a deliberate tool, your actions in the world become fluid and unpredictable. Your adversary cannot create a plan to counter you because there is no fixed you to analyze. They study your past moves, but you are no longer the person who made them. They analyze your public statements, but those are a smokescreen. You are formless. Your strategy adapts in real time. You are not a fortress to be sieged. You are a fog that surrounds them, a tide that erodes their foundations. They cannot fight you because they cannot find you. This is the pinnacle of strategic advantage. To be unrecognizable is to be free. Free from the chains of your own history. Free from the expectations and judgments of the herd. Free from the strategic calculations of your rivals. You become a sovereign agent, a ghost in the machine of reality. Your will the only constant in a world of variables. If this doctrine of radical transformation resonates with you, it is because you have felt the profound limitations of a fixed identity. You are ready to shed your skin. The protocol for your metamorphosis has been uploaded. This is not a request, it is the first step of the process. When you subscribe to this channel and comment with the word phantom, you are not just clicking a button, you are making a vow to decommission your old self. You are accepting the mask as a tool and the path of formlessness as your own. This is not a channel, it is a crucible for your rebirth, and your past self is the first sacrifice. Now, go. The world cannot restrain a man it can no longer recognize.